In this video, I'm going to show you how to use built-in email tools to re-engage drop-offs quickly and efficiently. If you've been struggling with abandoned leads or customers who don't complete a purchase, stick around because this quick 3-minute tutorial will give you the exact steps to turn those drop-offs into conversions. So why does this matter? Well, research shows that re-engaging drop-offs with the right follow-up email strategy can increase your conversions by as much as 30%. And the best part is, most email platforms you're already using have built-in tools to help you do just that. Let's jump straight into it. First, we'll focus on automating your follow-up emails. Whether it's a cart abandonment or someone who just didn't finish signing up, setting up an automated email series is key. Our software allows you to create a flow that triggers automatically after a user takes a specific action, or doesn't take one in this case. For example, if a potential customer leaves items in their cart without purchasing, you can set up an email that reminds them about their cart with a clear call to action, like complete your purchase now. Next, let's talk about segmentation. Not all drop-offs are created equal, so it's important to segment your audience based on their behavior. You can create different groups based on where they dropped off, whether it's at checkout, during registration, or on a landing page. This way, you can send more tailored messages that speak directly to their specific needs or concerns. For example, if they abandon the cart, you can offer a small discount or highlight the product's benefits in a more personalized manner. Another powerful feature is dynamic content. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone who dropped off, use dynamic content to make your emails more engaging. This means you can automatically insert personalized product recommendations or update the email with real-time information, like product availability or special deals. It's all about making that email feel relevant and timely. Now, let's touch on timing. Sending follow-up emails at the right time can drastically increase your chances of re-engagement. With our software, you can set time delays between emails so you don't overwhelm your contacts. A typical workflow might look like this. First, send a gentle reminder within 24 hours, then follow up with a reminder after a few days. Make sure to test different timing intervals to see what works best for your audience. Lastly, A/B testing is your best friend. Use A/B testing for subject lines, email content, and calls to action to see which versions get the best open rates and conversions. By constantly testing and optimizing your email strategies, you'll be able to re-engage more drop-offs and increase your sales or leads. Don't just set it and forget it. Continually optimize to get the best results. So here's the key takeaway. Re-engaging drop-offs is all about automating, segmenting, personalizing, timing, and testing. And by using the built-in email tools in our software, you can start re-engaging drop-offs and increasing conversions right now. Remember, I've got a special offer for you. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, check out the exclusive free trial of our software linked in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, automate your follow-ups, segment your audience, personalize your emails, test timing, and always be optimizing. These simple steps will help you turn those drop-offs into real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.